So the pig said it was popcorn. Anyway, our Bible verse today, like you guys know, my only pet peeve, hey, don't talk while I'm reading the Bible. I'd appreciate that. You know, you can talk while I'm talking, but just don't talk while we're listening to God's Word. Okay, this is Leviticus 18:6. None of you shall approach anyone who is near of kin to him to uncover his nakedness.
You okay, bud?
He said naked.
I am the Lord. The nakedness of your father or the nakedness of your mother.
Naked.
Oh yeah. You shall not uncover. She is your mother.
Hey, buddy. Why don't you not do that?
Hey! The nakedness of your father's wife you shall not uncover. It is your father's nakedness. The nakedness of your sister, the daughter of your father,
you shall not uncover. She is your mother. You shall not uncover her nakedness. The nakedness of your father's wife.
Guys, sit down. Their nakedness you shall not uncover. The nakedness of your son's daughter or your daughter's daughters, their nakedness you shall not uncover.
Naked.
What's he doing?
That's it, guys. I mean, seriously. Hey!
Are you
Who threw that?
I'm just kidding.